Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by establishing a solid baseline. Inspect service records and immediately change the oil and filter so you can diagnose from a known state. Once done, flush and refill coolant to eliminate overheating variables and inspect timing and accessory belts for cracks. Replace if any doubt exists. Make sure to swap spark plugs if they are older than 30,000 miles, because weak sparks hide bigger problems. Use an OBD-ROMAN2 scan right away to catch pending codes, and note compression readings for later comparison. Now you move into the detailed execution. Address heat and fueling, which are the usual failure points. Start by improving cooling, fit a higher capacity radiator or auxiliary fan, and use an 82 degrees thermostat if the engine overheats. That prevents detonation. Then test fuel pressure under load. If pressure drops, replace the pump and clean the filter to avoid lean conditions. Once done, secure intake and intercooler piping to eliminate boost leaks. Small leaks cause misfires and poor longevity, so torque clamps and replace brittle hoses as needed. You finish by validating every change with systematic testing. Perform road tests under varying loads while logging AFR, boost, and oil temperature. Aim for 100 to 200 miles of monitored driving. Make sure to set tight service intervals and replace wear items proactively: PCV valve, turbo oil return gasket, and coolant at recommended intervals to avoid cascading failures. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting with a smoke test for intake and vacuum leaks, then check engine grounds and sensor connectors. After each fix,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.